Sorry, this is the second part. The camera tried to do a crazy move on me and tried to commit suicide, so it just fell down. So I thought I'd just record another one. Okay, if this focuses. Oh, doesn't like to focus. There we are. As you can see here, there's tons of surface mount LEDs on here. Oh, we got so many on this board. So I can see this board. Here we are. I don't know what color these are and how to we got to drive them, but yeah, there's tons of LEDs on this. So I thought I'd just I'll take them, because it's good to just have like a LED strips. So yeah, that's why I took them. I've got 3 of them. There's another one here, and there we go. And I got another one over here. So I got 3 of those LED strips. I salvaged a couple of power supplies from the scanners. You can see here, this is quite nice power supply. And the voltage rating on it is, if my silly camera zooms in, there we go. So we got 100 or 240 in, and then we got 5.7 at 0.3 amp. We got 15 volt at half an amp. We got 24 volt at 3 amp and minus 15 at 0.1 amp. So it does give quite a good voltages. So I might not just take this apart. I might just leave this switch mode power supply the way it is. Maybe in the future I want to drive something, so I can just use this. Yeah, we got one more of these LCDs. We got the sensor, so I'm gonna just take some stuff out of that. Again, another sensor and another sensor. Oh, we got a stepper motor driver with its own heatsink and current sense resistor, and we got a little sensor here, little LED infrared switch. We got some what this is. I don't know what this is. I might just take some of this headers out. Nothing there. Yeah, we got another board here. So we got some DC converters over here. These are LM2575, and then we got a stepper motor driver here. So I might just take the DC converter and stuff out. We got a crystal oscillator I'm going to take out, and a few of the other ICs I might take out. I'm not going to bother with the inductors and the capacitors because they're gunked in, as you can see here. So they're glued in, so I'm not going to bother with them. I'm just going to take the ICs out, and yeah, just to make sure I'll take the stepper motor driver out as well. Yep, we got one more. We got some lattice ICs. I'm going to take that. We got some surface mount crystal oscillator I'm going to take out. We got some oscillator over here going to take out. And I'm going to take the USB connector out as well. Just pull that out. Again, we got the same kind of thing, so I'm going to take the DC converter out, and we got the stepper motor IC over here I'm going to take out. And a few other bits and bobs I might pull out from this board. There we go, we got the same board as we had before. So we got the stepper motor drivers. These 2 ICs over here, I'm going to take these out. And again, I'm going to take the DC converter and the inductors and some of the capacitors and the resistors and some of the lattice ICs I'm going to take out as well. Again, we got the same power supply here that we had before. Switch mode power supply with the same. I think this can handle a bit more. As you can see here, we got 5 volt at 6.5 amp, 24 volt 3 amp, plus and minus 15 volt at 0.4 amp and 0.1 amp. Nicely built, quite clean compared to the other one. That's the back. So yeah, I'll just keep these as well. And we got the same one as the first one here, so I'm just going to keep that as well. There's no point in taking things that are part of this, because everything, whatever is here, I've got plenty of them around. Here we got some, again, linear technology IC. We can just zoom in. There we go. We got a DC converter over here. We got some fuses. Take them out as well. And we got some different stepper motor driver ICs. We're going to take them out. And we got some sense resistors for the stepper motor. We're going to take them out. We got some Burr brand ICs. I don't know what they are, so I'm going to take them out as well. See what they are. Again, another stepper motor driver IC. Yep. So we got a sensor again. Some bits and bobs at the back. Take them apart. We got some CFL driver for the tube for the light. High voltage. I'll take that out. Again, the sensor. There's no point. I just might take the infrared sensor out. There we go. We got a lot of infrared switches that might come handy in the CNC build. There we go. It's the buttons and the LCD. So I'm just going to take that apart. Again, we got the high voltage for the tube driver. Again, we got the sensor. We got more sensor. And we just got some LED status little PCB bar. And we got the little, I don't know if you can see there, the little cold cathode tube there with this driver inside this. So just take that apart. That's that. And what else we have? Yeah, we got lots of rods and other bits and bobs. Got these little lenses. You can see here. Yeah, I'll just take these out as well. And we got these header for the stepper motor. And then you got the threaded to go through the belt. So I got about 10 or 15 of these as well. So these might come handy in my CNC build. Yeah, so spent about I think about £50–60 on the printers, and I'm 100% sure just the stepper motors on their own cost more than that on eBay. And you know, you don't know what kind of stepper motors you get on those cheap one on eBay, or then you don't really trust them. So obviously these are, as you can see here, made in Japan. So these are good quality, because the scanners that I had were Fujitsu, so they're no known brand. I don't think they're going to use shitty parts in their equipment. So yeah, quite happy with the parts and stuff that I've got from these scanners. The guy that I've bought this stuff from, he's got a few other scanners, so if anyone wants to buy this stuff, just message me on YouTube, and then I'll just provide you with the detail of the guy, and then you can just go on eBay and just purchase the rest of the stuff. He does do deals. If you buy a few of them, he does give a better price. So yeah, that's it. That's all the stuff that I've got. There we are. A whole lot of stuff that I have for my CNC build. Over here, I got a few other stuff over here, and a few other stuff over here for the CNC. So what I need to do is I'm just gonna buy some MDF wood, maybe 10mm or 12mm, and just start to build the base for the CNC, and then just connect my rods and the rest of the stuff, and see how I can control things around and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like always, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and Until next video, goodbye.